You are looking at our voltaic laser V-graving machine. It's a 3-in-1 system: laser cutting, shearing, and V-graving, all integrated into one compact machine. Compared to using 3 separate machines, this combined design saves up to 50% of your workshop space. No need to shuffle materials from one machine to another. One setup, multiple functions. This machine cuts, shears, and grooves with one loading. It simplifies your workflow and improves production efficiency dramatically. This is the ideal solution for modern sheet metal fabrication: compact, intelligent, and cost-effective. It's especially valuable where space and labor are limited. 3 functions, 1 machine, 0 compromise. If you are upgrading your factory, this is the smart move.